Okay, back out here again. Gonna do a little bit of concrete and hopefully see how it goes. Keep you in the loop. Got the stuff I think I need. Okay, that's on. Should be. Now we're blinded. Okay. Well, how about that? It's not done yet, but anyways, time to do a little cleanup. You can see I made all sorts of mess, but I think it might turn out all right though. We'll see. First time. But I went around and put like little, I don't know. I didn't do the best job, but I did a job. And that's nice. I'm happy with it. Happy-ish. Be happy when it dries. Put a step there and make it a nicer property. Scratchy.